Is it time to buy or sell Titan Pharmaceuticals stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Titan Pharmaceuticals. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 12th of August, 2025, our system has identified Titan Pharmaceuticals as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.72. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.73%. This equates to an average return of 0.34% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this may present a favorable selling opportunity. However, a breakout above the top trend line at $5.19 will indicate a strong buy signal, suggesting a potential shift in trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 1.36% over the next 3 months, with a projected return ranging from negative 20.20% to positive 5.14%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 6.44%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 45.14% to negative 2.85% over the coming year. This would place the future price somewhere between $2.74 and $4.86. Our latest daily update for Titan Pharmaceuticals includes the headline: Titan Pharmaceuticals stock price ended at $5 on Tuesday after gaining 1.11%. The Titan Pharmaceuticals stock price gained 1.11% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025, rising from $4.95 to $5. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.72%, with a day low at $4.87 and a day high of $5.15. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.73% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 695,000 more shares traded than the day before. In total, 697,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.49 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $6.99. And the lowest price was $3.03. Currently, the price is 28.47% or $1.99 below the 52-week high, and 99.95% or $10,255 below the all-time high on the 26th of October, 2017, when the price reached $10,260. Titan Pharmaceuticals is currently navigating a significant takeover and financing scenario that is expected to induce near-term volatility and influence long-term value. The management has submitted a Form F-4 for a proposed business combination with Talon Tech, previously known as KESDNBHD. Under the terms of this agreement, Titan shareholders would retain approximately 13.3% of the newly combined entity. This development has triggered multiple shareholder litigation alerts and investigations over the summer, introducing legal and timing risks that may impact the stock price as deadlines for votes and court updates approach. In terms of operations, Titan has executed 2 small private placements of Series B and C convertible preferred stock in the spring and early summer, raising $1 million at a conversion price of $3 and $600,000 at a conversion price of $3.40. While this has provided short-term liquidity, it has also created a potential dilution concern should conversions or further financing take place. Additionally, a NASDAQ 5250 notice related to a delayed 10Q filing underscores governance and compliance risks that could undermine investor confidence and raise concerns about potential delisting if these issues remain unresolved. In the short term, Anticipate fluctuations driven by headlines regarding shareholder votes, litigation updates, and any resolutions to filing issues. News regarding dilution or movements from creditors and supporters may exert downward pressure on the stock price due to supply dynamics. Looking to the long term, the stock's potential for appreciation hinges on the successful completion and integration of the merger, a clear resolution of legal and NASDAQ matters, and the ability of the combined business to achieve growth. However, the proposed ownership structure indicates that existing shareholders may realize limited upside unless there are changes to the deal terms or business strategy. Analysts have assigned Titan Pharmaceuticals stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also designate the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Titan Pharmaceuticals. Titan Pharmaceuticals stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support levels can be expected at $5 and $4.51. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has also been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have emerged that could impact the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was generating from a pivot top point on Monday, August 18, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 3.47%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots. A sell signal was noted 7 days ago. Bollinger. A buy signal was identified 23 days ago. The short-term moving average. A buy signal was observed 4 days ago. The long-term moving average. A buy signal was noted 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average. A buy signal was noted 12 days ago. The long-term moving average. A buy signal was also noted 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 121 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Titan Pharmaceuticals. Titan Pharmaceuticals finds support from accumulated volume at $4.91. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Furthermore, with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 279 thousandths of a dollar between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to 5.72%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.93%. Into the potential trading levels for Titan Pharmaceuticals, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we need to consider the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profit levels and could point to potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 18th of March, 2026. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Titan Pharmaceuticals. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Titan Pharmaceuticals is at $5.10. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a suitable point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Titan Pharmaceuticals faces its first support level at $4.91. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Titan Pharmaceuticals from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction was on the 27th of March, 2025, when Lo Gabriel executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.78, reflecting a decrease of 4.41%. This stock is characterized by significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened risk profile. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 78, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is Titan Pharmaceuticals stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, suggesting that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Titan Pharmaceuticals stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 27th of August, we expect Titan Pharmaceuticals to open higher by 0.07 starting at $5.01. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.